Hey, boys and girls, welcome back to another Do Now. All right, so here we go. First problem. Boop. Okay, pause the video. What do you got? Go. All right, let's take a look. So y equals 2 over 5x plus 7. This would be the slope. All lines that are parallel have the same slope. So one slope is equal to the other slope. So for example, if this slope is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like that. This is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the lines are parallel because they have the same slope. Up to right 5, up to right 5. The y-intercept is different like that. Obviously, so you knew that. Awesome. So the answer is C. All right, next one. Boop. Ooh, what's this equivalent to? Pause the video. What do you got? All right, let's take a look. I don't know. Okay. So, box method. Yeah. 6n minus 5. N plus 4. 6n plus n is 6n squared. Negative 5 times n is negative 5n. 6n times 4 is, 24. Broke my pencil. 24n. Negative 5 times 4 is negative 20. There we go. Okay. So these are like terms because they have n to the first power with them. First power. So 6n squared. 24 minus 5 is 19. N minus 20. There we go. 6n squared plus 19n minus 20. All right. So that would be K. There you go. K. K. Okay, let's go. Next one. Boop. Okay. Read this one on your own. Solve it. Pause the video. Go. All right, let's see. So it's $30 an hour and then $25 flat fee. How many hours did it work? That include a $190 bill for the book project. All right, so $30 an hour plus the $25 fee. That's not changing. It depends on how many hours. So that's how this is the variable cost, and that's the fixed cost. It's $190 total dollars. Whoop. So we just solve like this. 165. So 30h equals 165 divided by 30. So it's 30, 60, 90. Oh, you get that there. So that'd be 5. And so that'd be 5 times 30 is 150, right? So 165 minus 150 is 15 over 30. Oh, 15 is half of 30. So it's 5 and 1/2. So you can do things without a calculator. You can do the whole ACT test without a calculator. Oh my goodness. Look at Ms. Ouch is doing. Okay, so 5 and 1/2. So the answer is H. There we go. Cool. All right. Next one. What is cosine of angle Z? Pause the video. Go. All right. Okay. It's cosine of angle Z. So it's a 3, 4, 5 right triangle. You can do that by Pythagorean theorem. 4 squared. 3. So leg squared plus leg squared equals hypotenuse squared. So that would be 9 plus 16 equals c squared. 25 equals c squared. What number times itself is 25? That would be 5. So this is 5. 3, 4, 5. Good to remember. Pythagorean triple has to be a right angle, right? Okay. Next. SOHCAHTOA. Write it in. SOHCAHTOA. Okay. Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. So I'm going to go opposite here. No, that's not opposite. My bad. That's hypotenuse because it's opposite the right angle. And I'm looking at angle Z, so this is my reference angle. So straight across, this is going to be opposites. And then this side is going to be the adjacent. So what do we have? Adjacent over hypotenuse, so that would be 3 over 5. 3 over 5. Cool. All right. So what do we get? Boop. 3 over 5. So the answer is J. Cool. All right. Next, last but not least. What number is halfway between 1, 6, and 1/2? Hint, find the average or the mean. Pause the video. Go. Okay. So, in order to find the average or the mean, you have to add the fractions and then divide by the number you got. I have two numbers, so I'm going to divide by 2. So first, let's deal with adding, right? We got to find a common denominator. So we got 2, 4, 6, 8. Who do we appreciate? 6, 12, 18. Oh, 6, right? 6 is the least common denominator, least common multiple. So I'm just going to multiply this by 3 over 3. I can keep this the same. Multiply by 1 over 1 if you want. Whatevs. 1, 6 plus 3, 6, which is 4, 6, which simplifies to, cut them in half, right? Pencil broke. 2/3. Okay, so add them up and I get 2/3. Now I can't forget this. So you add, find what's halfway, that's in the middle, right? So I add them up and divide by 2. So I'm going to divide this by 2 next, over 1. When you divide by a fraction, you multiply by its reciprocal, 1 over 2. So that would be 2, 6, which I cut that in half and I get, 1/3 is the answer. So 1/3 is between 1/6 and 1/2, halfway between. So 1/3 is the answer. So that would be F, G, H. So it's cut off, so that's H, my bad. H, 1/3. There we go. Nice job, everybody.